Ladies and gentlemen, I feel very honoured on behalf of Cavendish Group to be delivering the welcome address to the fourth Future Downstream event. It's fantastic to bring our oil and energy communities together once more, and we're incredibly honoured to have such a strong lineup of refineries, chemical manufacturers and technology innovators contributing to the programme. And we're really looking forward to sharing strategies over the next 2 days. May I first thank all of our key partners and sponsors who've continued to offer us tremendous support and value to our event. I would also like to extend our gratitude to the Future Downstream Advisory Committee who have helped shape the theme of the agenda over the last few weeks. Digital transformation is emerging as a key driver, and the downstream sector has the opportunity to redefine its boundaries through digitalisation. Whilst technology can become a source of positive change, we all recognise there are several challenges that need to be overcome to fulfil its full potential. Developing, though, a data-driven and connected refinery will be essential to eliminate industrial accidents and unplanned downtime. Increasing remote operations and having teams closer to the asset will be the way in which refineries and plants can enhance operational efficiency. How can we align strategy, capability and culture? Digital connectivity will enable the refineries of the future to improve optimization and analyze waste. Autonomous plants capable of predicting results in real time will revolutionize asset connectivity and predict unexpected failures. Digitalization should, in theory, make the operations more resilient in a volatile world, but change management remains the biggest hurdle to overcome. Dealing appropriately with culture will be driven from the top down, and the impact of digitizing workflow methods will speak volumes for itself once fear is overcome. Often in industry, digitalization is complex, data is siloed, and workflows are misaligned. Will AI and machine learning unlock the real potential to these next generation hybrid models? Asset performance management and implementing an effective APM strategy remains one of the greater challenges. The increased role of predictive maintenance and digital twin will be crucial to unlocking the true potential of an asset. The role of performance forecasting has never been so significant. Aging infrastructure and expected downtime are commonplace, so improving asset sustainability is another key priority for the sector. Innovation and decarbonisation are two terms that are now regularly being used to describe the downstream industry. Refining is constantly changing, and with margins as fine as ever, how do we decarbonise and digitise whilst remaining profitable? Scaling new technologies and innovations will be vital to achieving these energy transition goals and the development of hydrogen, CCS, wind, solar, electrification and biofuels. How will refineries and manufacturers hasten the adoption of sustainable technologies and digitalisation whilst managing operating costs? Mastering circular economy strategies and accelerating at each stage of the value chain is paramount. Championing collaboration to deliver on energy transition whilst achieving decarbonisation goals and eliminating CO2 production will ultimately be very challenging in the short term, but carries significant long-term benefits. We all need to think about how to adapt in an era of environmental concern. Finally, I want to thank the Cavendish Group for making Future Downstream possible, especially Ava, Tina, Gail and Kai, who have been working relentlessly over the last few weeks. These future events really have a fantastic team behind them. We as Cavendish Group are very proud to host an event like this and realise how significant it is to share key insights and help solve the pressing technology and sustainable issues that urgently need to be addressed. I will also be on hand for any feedback anyone has or any assistance. Please also take some time to network and communicate with each other during the dedicated breakout sessions. We have some fantastic companies on our virtual exhibition floor. On behalf of Cavendish Group, I wish you a wonderful event and hand you over to the opening panel for a thrilling discussion on the adoption and progress of a hybrid digital twin for the downstream sector. moderated by the wonderful Renzo Cavendish Malini, IT consultant at Petrobras. Renzo, over to you.